Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ChatGPT, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close down your ChatGPT account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close down your ChatGPT anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably use a lot of different software, and maybe ChatGPT, you're just trying it out, so you want to go ahead and close it down. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in chatgpt.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ChatGPT, and this is one chat that I was working on yesterday. And in order to permanently close down your ChatGPT, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on settings. It has a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up this menu right here. And in order to permanently delete your ChatGPT, you're going to click right here on data controls. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these options, and you want to click on this red button, delete, right next to delete account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these warnings right here that when you delete your ChatGPT, it is permanent. You cannot come back and reopen the account. Also, you will not be able to use any of the OpenAI services right here. Also, if you decide you want to use ChatGPT again, you have to use a separate email address. You cannot use the same email address. Also, they let you know that once you delete your account, it's going to be permanently deleted, all of your data within 30 days. However, this is really important. They do retain some data if they're required by law or permitted by law. So if you're trying to delete your ChatGPT because you were searching something illegal, it is possible that ChatGPT could be subpoenaed by law enforcement to pull that data. Just kind of keep that in mind. Now, as you can see, I can't permanently delete my account because they say that you had to have logged in within the last 10 minutes. So what you're going to have to do is refresh your login, and then after that, you would be able to close down your account. I'm not going to close my ChatGPT because I still use it to this day. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your ChatGPT, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.